Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is Lewis of the Way It Kicks channel, back again with another unboxing here of a sneaker that I personally love. This particular silhouette, and this here, man, the quality is absolutely 10 out of 10, and it's a nice switch up from all the hoopla that are going on with the black cement 3s. These obviously were flying under the radar for a lot of people, but there were also a lot of people out there that are waiting for these to go ahead on sale, which I'm sure they probably are, because the respect for the Airships is just, I don't know, I can't call it. But Jordan Airship PESP Sail Black Game Royal. In that box, man, I have to say, man, I love that snakeskin there for the box, but they should have gave us blue for the box graphic, right? They should have gave us blue. Anyhow, when you go ahead and pop the lid, you still get the coordinates under here, just like the original red pair had. Now, these coordinates are actually to the hospital that Michael Jordan was born in Brooklyn, New York. And fun fact, Mike Tyson was actually born in the same hospital. So if you guys are interested in going ahead and looking those coordinates up, go ahead and do so. In any case, once we do pop open the lid here, we do have this tissue paper, and the tissue paper, if you look closely, is actually a map of the Brooklyn area. And I did this in my last video where I went ahead and actually pointed out where the hospital would be. So if you guys are interested to see that, go ahead and check out my original video. I'll put a link for you guys to go ahead and take a look at it. But here we go, the Game Royal Awake Airships. And man, oh man, these are absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And this blue pops like none other. And I think I might actually like these a little more than the red. But let's go ahead and look at the features of the shoe. You see, you already got this blue laces here in a clear plastic bag. You see, you got that snake skin that goes around the collar, and then here on the back, you see it says Awake Air on the back there. You do have the Wings logo there on the side as well. Behind the silver material of the swoosh, you do have blue there as well. Down the spine, you do have a nice strip of that blue snakeskin. Here on the outside of the shoe, you got that wonderfully stitched Awake A, and you got a sail midsole, or at least a sail stained midsole, that is. And then taking a look here, somewhat of a gum kind of aged outsole there on the bottom. Taking a look at the tongue itself, you got that sail kind of aged look to it that they gave it. And then at the top of the tongue tag, they got Nike Air there written in black. Now behind it, they have Awake with the Jumpman stitched on there, which I think is a nice little touch. And then inside the sock liner there, it's all blue. And then on the insole foot pad, it does say Nike Air down there, guys. And as most of your Airships have, they do have the size tag stamped there on the inside of the shoe as well. Now it comes pre-laced with white laces. Let me go ahead and give you a look here at the right shoe. And the right shoe does have the silver hang tag, just like the red pair had, which is actually pretty dope. And it actually has some nice weight to it, you know what I mean? They didn't necessarily cheap out in terms of the material, but I'm sure it didn't cost them much of anything to throw that on there. And the retail price point on these, man, 150 bucks. Definitely nice shoe. On the back of this one here, it does say Nike Air, while the other one does say, what did I say it said? Yeah, it says, sorry. This says Awake NY. I said Awake Air earlier, but Awake NY, and this one says Nike Air there on the back. Both of them have the A stitched, all right, on the side. And man, yeah, they really did these right. As far as what else is here with the shoe, you do have the stickers that are in here. You got the Awake stickers and the different boroughs listed on there, you know what I mean? This is a nice little touch that they gave you. And also, this comes with the Airship booklet, and this one in particular says Awake on it, which is kind of a change up from some of the other Airships that they put out there. You know what I mean? Used to, it just shows that it's, you know, the Airship itself, and then it shows the construction in there. It actually has the coordinates listed in there as well. And yeah, man, They definitely did a real nice job here with the booklet as well. And man, let me go ahead and throw these on feet, and you're gonna see a nice little surprise comparison to this red pair as well. And then we'll go ahead and close out the video. All right, y'all, so you gotta let me know, are you red pill or blue pill? And are you white lace or blue lace? Let me know down in the comment section below what you guys prefer. In any case, appreciate y'all tapping in. Make sure you hit that like button. And if you are new to the channel, thanks for tapping in. Make sure you hit that subscriber button and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. This is Lewis of the Way Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.